We're in Animal Kingdom Lodge in Kidani village to go to a restaurant called Sanaa. We're meeting our friends Ben and his wife and their children for a meal with a difference. Apparently it's got wonderful views and he said it's his favourite restaurant, Ben did. So it'd be nice to catch up with him again, and it's spectacular here. I really want to stay here now. We've only just been inside the Kidani village, like check-in area, and these are the rooms. We've got Jambo House, which is another area, which is in that direction up there. But yeah, it looks brilliant.
Like walking that way?
Yeah. Yeah. So we are there.
It's further on down here a bit then, is it?
Disney World Transformation Talk.
We've done the Jambo House last time, didn't we?
Did we?
Yeah, we're now in the again.
Right. Survival of the fittest. Ooh. So scan that code for more information. No, I can't see the screen.
Yeah, you smell it, can't it?
And resort tip: as a guest, Disney Animal Kingdom Lodge, you can participate in activities at both Jambo House and Kidani Village. Shuttles are available between Jambo House and Kidani Village. Oh, loads going on.
Yeah, it's like a little village.
They haven't got that out of the camera.
No, I went away.
So that's the fitness centre in there. Can I have a look in you? Can I have a look in you? I like a good gym. I like looking at it because it helps me sleep in the night. There you go. Water station. So can you walk to Animal Kingdom from here? Can you walk to Animal Kingdom from here?
Yeah.
Okay.
10 minutes then, Ben said, didn't he?
10 minutes? Really?
Yeah. There's viewing animals down our way.
You want to go and have a look? No. Andy's like, we're here to eat, and that's it. He doesn't want to do anything else.
Have I walked still? Look how far I've walked.
Yeah, we've walked all the way from here, from there to here.
Oh, that's quite surprised myself today.
We have walked. We've been to Universal Studios today. We put a video on a couple of weeks ago because we took the video and put it straight on of the time we went to Minion Con. Villain Con? Villain Con. So we've done that today. We were invited by Disney, Universal to go and have a go at that before it opened to the public. So by the time this video goes on, it would have been open from the 11th, I think, of August. Whereas actually, we are on the... What date are we on? 7th of August at the moment today. So the videos have got a bit of a delay going. That's so I got time to edit them and get them all sorted out for you. It's nice and cool in here. Got some nice pins. Nice little shop. What do you want to buy? Are you going to buy anything?
Yeah, all of them. Go for a coffee.
Oh yes. Animal Kingdom clothing. Disney ears. Vacation Club member tops. Monopoly, that's cool. Disney parks.
What's that, Disney?
Yeah, that's really cool. That's $49.99. So, no, it's really nice. I think I might want one.
Gremlin or Disney's?
Gremlin or Disney's?
Gremlin.
Gremlin.
Or Disney?
Oh, right. Oh, definitely my gremlin. I gotta choose. They're cute. Look at these. Oh, I really like those. And I need to get one of those. And the other towels we need to get for you.
No.
The cooling towels. How much are the cooling towels? He's done a runner. $16.90. He's run away now. I just said I was going to buy stuff. And the Sanaa restaurant is down those steps down there. I can see a giraffe. Oh my goodness, and buffalo. Right there. Yeah?
It's where to go.
I don't know where we've gone now. We've ended up in like a lounge area. What's that?
Be cooler inside here rather than outside.
Oh, we wanted to see the animals. And Coley cattle. And cool cattle. And it was cool that 2 zebras just went past them. No zebras. No zebras, they were giraffes. I know. I know. Oh, that'd be so lovely for the people who were there in their hotel room. It'd be lovely, wouldn't it? That's advertising the restaurant we're going to. Look at these. Oh.
Different, isn't it?
The giraffes are in the... I love giraffes.
Why?
Yeah, I don't know. I just think that they're like... I don't know. Remind me of exotic places. So this is Jambo House. It looks fantastic. The meal was lovely, by the way. And we had lovely company with Ben and Lauren and the children. So yeah, these are all the rooms then up there. How wonderful. And Lauren was just saying at Christmas time they have a huge tree. And it's fantastic. We'll go and have a look in the shop.
so good at